Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with another tune-up report on this new Galaxy dx2547 for Bigfoot in Kentucky. All we've done to this for you, bud, is truckerized it as you requested. That's our tune. Did the clarifier modification, and as you requested, put the channels in the radio so you can surf the upper and lower bands. I'll show you what we got here. Our power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Over half a watt all the way down. 4.5 watts all the way up. Reach and turn it back down here. 100-watt slug. Going forward in the PEP position. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. About 33 watts PEP. That is out of a single MOSFET. And this is a great sideband talking rig as well. Bigfoot, it's coming to you, my friend. Staying right here in the Bluegrass State. This is truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.